morning friends, my name is Mihir and today we are going to have lecture on reverse backup sensor. So it is actually like backup camera, only the thing is in this sensor there you cannot see the video which is going on your rear because there is no camera. This is a reverse backup sensor. So this reverse backup sensor is for use with or without a camera. This equipment beeps if you are about to hit something while backing up. Okay, now there are many types of sensor which are used in these vehicles. So one types of sensor which are used in reverse backing sensor is ultrasonic proximity sensor. Then what is this sensor? This sensor you are going to get study in mechatronics. Okay, so reverse parking sensor that are equipped in car are basically ultrasonic proximity sensor. That is, they use ultrasonic sensors to measure the distance between cars and the objects and warn the driver if the car is too close. Now, as I have told you in this, the beeping sound, the frequency of beeping sound. So in reverse backup sensor for use with or without camera, this sensor can be used to neglect the accident or from hitting up the back object with your car. So which is the sensor which is used? It is ultrasonic proximity sensor. So ultrasonic proximity. Ultrasonic proximity, please remember this name. This is the important name which you have to write in this reverse backup sensor and backup camera sensor. These two topics you can write ultrasonic proximity sensor. This is going to help you in scoring marks, as you know you have some extra knowledge because this is the thing which is not given in your textbook. Okay. So now you got to know while backing up or while taking a reverse which are the sensor which are used in vehicle. Okay, first is camera, second is your backup sensor. The backup sensor consists of ultrasonic proximity sensor which is used when you are going to crash. It start beeping beep 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 on regular interval frequency. When you are some apart, so it will be less frequency. When you are very close, it will be a more frequency. Okay, now let's talk about electronic stability control, ESC. It is also known as electronic stability program. So this sensor or this control is used widely in today's vehicles. So electronic stability control is also known as electronic stability program. These are designed to assist drivers in maintaining control on their vehicle on steering during normal driving. This system continuously monitors the steering and vehicle direction through the twisted testing. Okay, the testing are designed to assign driver to maintaining control on vehicle steerings. So why is it used? To maintain control on vehicle steerings. During normal driving, the system continuously monitors the steering and vehicle direction through the twisted testing, wheel angle and actual direction of vehicle. So what does it does? It judges your steering and it also keeps monitoring on steering and vehicle direction throughout the journey, throughout the testing. Okay, this ESC measures the lateral acceleration, individual roll wheel speed and vehicle rotation. Okay, now ESC doesn't consist of only one type of sensor. It has many sensor included in it. So what are these sensors which are included in ESC? These are, first is steering wheel angle sensor. Okay, first sensor which is used in electronic stability control is steering wheel angle sensor. As I have told you in this definition, it always monitors the steering. So first sensor is steering wheel angle sensor. What does steering wheel angle sensor does? So it determines the driver's intended rotation, that where the drive can to steer. Now you may have seen in many vehicles, when you are moving to the right and without even indicating, when you rotate your steering, the vehicle automatically shows the direction. If I want to move right and I have not given any indicator, or I have not given any indication, and I am just rotating the steering wheel, the vehicle itself will show the indication to right. Now this is taken with the help of electronic stability control. Okay, the first thing we have learned here is steering wheel angle sensor, which is the first type of sensor which is used in electronic stability control. So what it does, it determines the driver intended rotation. It determines driver intended rotation, that where the driver wants to steer. Okay, the second system, that is the second sensor which is used in electronic stability control is yaw rate sensor. Okay, what is yaw rate sensor? So it measures the tire rotation rate of a vehicle, that actually turning of vehicle. So while actual turning of vehicle, what does yaw rate sensor does? It measures the rotation which are required or which is done while turning the vehicle. Okay, the third type of sensor, which is lateral acceleration sensor. So what is lateral acceleration sensor? It related to the accelerometer. So accelerometer जो हमारी गाड़ी का होता है, उसके related जो sensor होता है वो है हमारा lateral acceleration sensor. So ना अभी तक हमने कितने type of sensor देखे? तो हमने 3 type of sensors देखे. Which are they? Steering wheel angle sensor, second is yaw rate sensor, third is lateral acceleration sensor. These are the type of sensor we have seen. Now the fourth type of sensor which we are going to see is wheel speed sensor. So it measures the speed of wheel. व्हील स्पीड सेंसर का क्या काम है? तो वो हमारे व्हील का जो स्पीड है वो सेंस करता है. देखिए, बहुत सारे सेंसर ऐसे हैं जिनके नाम से ही आपको पता चलता है कि उसका फंक्शन क्या है. जैसे हमारा आया lateral acceleration sensor, wheel speed sensor. These are the types of sensor we know what are their functions are known for. Okay, now fifth, which is roll rate sensor. So roll rate sensor, so it improves the fidelity of a controller vehicle model and correct for errors when estimating vehicle behavior for the other sensor alone. So what is the use of roll rate sensor? This is the last type of sensor which is used in electronic stability control. So roll rate sensor क्या होता है? It improves the fidelity of controller. First thing is it improves the fidelity of controller. Then vehicle model and correct the errors. It improves the fidelity, it corrects the error when estimated vehicle behavior. अगर behavior vehicle का अलग रहा, मतलब ESC क्या करता है आपका? एक तो नॉर्मल जब आप चलाते हैं तब का आपका बिहेवियर सेंस करता है, और अब अगर आप वियर्ड चला रहे हो तब का बिहेवियर देखता है. तो रोल रेट सेंसर में आपका बिहेवियर जज होता है. अगर आप वियर्ड तरीके से चला रहे हो तो वो आपका जज करेगा. So it improves fidelity of controller, vehicle mode and correct for error when estimating vehicle behavior for the other sensors alone. Okay, so how many types of controller that is sensor are used in electronic stability control? So there are 5 types of sensor which are used. So first is steering wheel angle sensor. Okay, second is yaw rate sensor, third is lateral acceleration sensor, fourth is wheel speed sensor, fifth is roll rate sensor. So first is our steering wheel angle sensor. Steering wheel angle sensor. Second is our yaw rate sensor. Yaw rate sensor. Third is our lateral acceleration sensor. Lateral acceleration sensor. Fourth is our wheel speed sensor. wheel speed sensor. And now fifth is our roll rate sensor. Roll rate sensor. These are all the sensors which are used in electronic stability control. So number of sensors used 5 है. कौन से तो पहला तो स्टीयरिंग का जज करता है, तो इसलिए स्टीयरिंग व्हील एंगल सेंसर. उसके बाद यार रेट सेंसर क्या रहता है, जब टर्निंग के बाद कितना रोटेशन होता है हमारे व्हील का वो होता है. फिर थर्ड है हमारा लैटरल एक्सीलरेशन सेंसर. वो क्या है, उसका काम क्या है, वो रिलेटेड टू एक्सेलरेटोमीटर है. उसके बाद अपना व्हील स्पीड सेंसर है, उसका काम उसके नाम में ही है, वो है व्हील स्पीड जज करना. और फिफ्थ है हमारा रोल रेट सेंसर. उसका काम what is its use is to improve the fidelity of controller. Okay, so these are the 5 types of sensor which are used in electronic stability controller. So now we will mark in red what are the importance in definitions. Known as electronic stability program, these are designed to assist the drivers in maintaining control in their vehicle steering, control in vehicle steering. During normal driving, this system continuously monitors the steering wheel and direction through. Okay, the ESC measure the lateral acceleration, individual round wheel speed, and vehicle rotation. So these are the some important things you need to remember in electronic stability.